Yo, what up, people? You guys are welcome to my channel, KVNG White. Here I'll be teaching you guys how to design a company logo, and we're going to be titling our project KVNG White. Alright, so let's let's do this 1400 by 1400. Okay, KVNG White company logo. Alright, so resolution, take it to 5000, right? Okay, and click on create. So there you go. Let's close this up. Alright, so here we are in our document space. This tutorial is going to be useful for most of you that don't know, that wants to do like a company logo, a company stamp. Okay, like a stamp for your company. Let's say you did like a receipt or whatever, and you want to do something creative like a stamp for it. This is the video you're meant to watch. So first of all, we'll go to the Eclipse tool. Now we draw a circle. Yep. Let's draw a circle. I want us to use green for this, so let's go ahead and rescale it. Just something here. All right, let's make it bigger. Okay. We will not be needing this fill, so let's go ahead and hide it. Go to your stroke, pick something here, and increase the pixels. Let's say here. Here's okay. Duplicate this by dragging it down here, or can press Ctrl J. So let's reduce. Okay, let's reduce this. Let's say. Okay. Let's shift this so we get the middle. Yeah, so we'll be creating like 3. Yeah, I want us to reduce this pixel. Something here. Yeah, I think it's sweet. So we'll duplicate this one again by hitting Ctrl J. Can resize it. Okay. Okay, let's put this in the middle. Alright. Okay, let's make it smaller. Let's make it smaller. Let's go back to the first one. I think it's too bold. Hit here, and let's reduce it. Let's reduce it to something here. So far so good. I think I'm good with this results. Alright. Let's take it up a bit. Alright, so we're good here. So what we have to do now is go ahead and write in our text. So for this we'll be using the Arial font, and we'll be writing the word approved. Okay. highlight the whole thing, click here, change it to green using the color picker. So for this we'll be using this option called black. Let's increase text a bit. Okay, yeah. Let's try say 20. 20 is too much. Let's try 18. Okay. Okay. I think 18 is not bad. Alright, so click on the T button and you're going to put your dates, DATE. Okay, dates. For this I want us to reduce. Let's try like a board. Yeah. Let's reduce this to like let's say 9. Okay, perfect. So you bring down this text. Let's put it somewhere here. Okay, and you can say the date is, what's today's date? Today is 31st. That's 2023. So let's just leave that and go to your text. Below you can put some dotted stuff. Then let's take this up, duplicate your dates and write signature. Okay, let's reduce the size to, let's say 5. So let's take it down. So somewhere here. Okay, this is good. Also here is also good. So we are going to be writing our company name now. So we'll name it KVNG WHYTE. Okay. Yeah, so let's increase this text a bit. Now I know most of you don't know how to bend a text, like how to make it enter into the circular place. So we're going to be clicking here. This is wrap text. Click on your style, then choose your arc. Okay, all right. So once you click on your arc, here you can make it bend, or you edit it however you like. You can also use this ACH if you like, but the best option to use is this arc. So there you go. We're going to bend it until it enters here. Okay, now let's still bend it. Okay, I think I'm good with this results. Okay, there you have it. KVNG. Let's duplicate this and let's write company. I want us to put this down here. So click on Ctrl J to highlight the whole text. Ctrl A, sorry, hit here, and we're going to be bending it the other way. Okay, KVNG. Alright, so this value minus 50 is okay. Okay, so that's it. KVNG. Yeah, I think we're good. So let's go to our pen tool or hit the P on your keyboard, which is here, and let's put from part to automatic shape. Color picker, let's make this green. Hit the OK button. I want us to draw a star. Let's can draw it. You can start from anywhere. So here, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, click, 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 and then click. Okay. So let's press Ctrl T to resize it, and let's put it somewhere around here. Let's hit the Ctrl J to duplicate it, and let's put the other one here. Alright. So that's basically it. You can let's put all this in a group. Okay. In case you don't know what I did here, just click on your layer, scroll down to here that they have approved. You hold down your shift, then you hit the enter button. Okay, now if you want to put all this in a group, you can simply drag it into this place, or you press Ctrl G on your keyboard. Okay, so let's just change this to smart objects. Alright, so that's it. You can see it's transparent, so you can then go ahead and put it on. Let's look for okay. Let's just say okay. Let's just say this is a document. Let's just use this as an example. Let's say this is your documents. Yeah, you can save this as PNG so that anytime you need it, just come here, drag it to your new documents, and that is it. So there you go. That's your new company logo. Yeah, you can still go ahead to write let's say hi, let's put this around 4, let's say around 5, sorry, 2. Okay, say hi, King Rice, and this is a document. Alright, so change this to black. So let's say this is your documents. Okay, that's it. So this is how to create a very own simple watermark, stamp, or whatever using your Photoshop. Just in case you're watching for the first time, please kindly stick to this channel because I'll be doing more uploads daily for you guys to watch and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this video. Someone might be needing it. Alright, share it to your friends and family. Someone might be needing it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Alright, so there you go.